Dear friends, welcome back to English Story World Slow English Learning Videos. In today's short and interesting video, you will improve your English vocabulary, reading, writing, spelling, and listening skills in a very simple and easy way. This video is made in slow and clear English so that you can understand every word easily. You can listen carefully or even play it during your sleeping time to improve your listening skills naturally. If you want to listen faster, you can increase the playback speed in the video settings. Before we begin, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English Story World for more helpful English learning videos. So, are you ready? Let's begin today's lesson. A family that stayed together. In a small town near a river, there lived a simple family in a blue-colored house. The house was not big, but it was always full of warmth, love, and laughter. The family had 5 members. There was Ramesh, the father. He worked as a clerk in a small office. His salary was not high, but he was honest and hardworking. There was Sita, the mother. She took care of the home and everyone in it. She woke up early every morning, cooked food, cleaned the house, and still found time to smile. They had 2 children. The elder son was Aman, who was 16 years old. The younger daughter was Pooja, who was 10. And lastly, there was grandmother, whom everyone lovingly called Aji. Morning in the house. Every morning started the same way. Aji would wake up first and sit near the window, praying softly. Soon after, Sita would enter the kitchen. The sound of utensils and the smell of tea filled the house. Ramesh would read the newspaper while sipping tea. Aman would rush around, getting late for school. Pooja would sit quietly, tying her hair with her mother's help. Though life was simple, these mornings were full of peace. The father's struggle. Ramesh never complained about his job. But deep inside, he worried. School fees were increasing. House expenses were rising. Sometimes, his salary finished before the month ended. At night, when everyone slept, Ramesh would sit silently, thinking, what if I fail to give my children a good future? What if I lose my job? But every morning, he smiled again. A mother's silent strength. Sita understood her husband's worries without him saying a word. She never asked for expensive clothes or jewelry. She managed the home carefully. If there was less money, she cooked simpler food. If something broke, she fixed it instead of buying new. Her strength was quiet, but powerful. Aman's dream. Aman was a bright student. He dreamed of becoming an engineer. He studied hard, but sometimes felt pressure. One day, he saw his father counting money late at night. That moment changed him. From that day, Aman started helping more. He taught younger children in the neighborhood for a small fee. He never told his parents. Pooja's innocence. Pooja was full of questions. Why does Papa work so much? Why doesn't Mom buy new saris? Why do we save money? One day, Sita hugged her and said, because love is more important than money. Pooja smiled, not fully understanding, but feeling safe. A sudden problem. One evening, Ramesh came home early. His face was pale. The office he worked in was closing. He had lost his job. The house fell silent. No shouting. No crying. Only quiet fear. That night, the family sat together. Ramesh spoke honestly. Sita listened calmly. Aman held his sister's hand. Aji prayed silently, standing together. The next morning, Sita said, "We will manage. We always do." Aman said, "I can earn more by teaching." Aji said, "This house has seen harder days." Ramesh felt tears in his eyes. For the first time, he realized something important. He was not alone. New beginnings. Ramesh started looking for work again. Some days were hopeful. Some days were disappointing. Sita started stitching clothes for neighbors. Pooja helped by delivering them. Aman worked harder than ever. The family became closer than before. A small victory. After 3 months, Ramesh finally got a new job. It paid a little less, but it was steady. That night, Sita cooked a special dinner. Pooja danced happily. Aman smiled with relief. Aji said, "Problems come to test families, not to break them." The real wealth. Years passed. Aman became an engineer. Pooja grew into a confident young girl. The family still lived in the same blue house. They were not rich, but they were happy. They had something greater than money. They had each other. Moral of the story: a family is not strong because of money or big houses. A family is strong because of love, trust, and unity. When a family stays together, no problem is too big.